Hi, I'm Shubhajit. I'm a graphics designer and I'm the author of the e-comic Blackwater.
Hi Shubhajit, thank you so much for doing this interview. Would you like to tell us a little bit about Blackwater?
It's a dystopian e-comic set in a uncertain future, bad future. So it is the standard cyberpunk story of bad corporations in a bad world.
And how did you come up with the title?
I came up with the title from the name of a private military contractor group that is in the news for all the wrong reasons. So I thought I might use their name.
Oh, that's
And
very
not in
interesting.
a not in a copyright kind of manner, but inspired from their name.
That's a really interesting premise, I must say, and thank you for that disclaimer. Great. So, was this your first time writing a comic book, and what prompted you to attempt sci-fi?
Yeah, it was my first time writing. I mean, I've drawn pictures and all that comic strips, but they have not been done in the format of a single work. So, and I liked sci-fi from childhood. I have been reading a lot of books, so I like it as a genre.
Oh, that's interesting. Blackwater Season 1, through its narrative, tries to explore the politics of the world. How much of it do you think is influenced by your own ideology, and why do you feel it needed to be touched upon?
I think every writer's ideology leaks into his work in some way or another, so that's inevitable. But I have tried to keep it from a perspective of an outsider who observes things rather than going extremely deeply into any particular ideological strain.
I'm sure that's a very difficult task to do, especially in a world that's so deeply polarized in the current
Yeah.
times. Interesting. So, since there's a reference of AI being used in the sophisticated prison that you have created,
Yeah.
and given the realities of our times, do you think sooner than later AI will surpass human intelligence and replace it altogether? Do you think we'll be enslaved by it?
No, I think genuinely intelligent AI is not here yet. All the AIs that we are seeing are those are things that are pretending to be intelligent, but they are not actually intelligent. I think it might be around 100 years or so before we actually see the truly intelligent AI. But yes, maybe it will arrive one day.
Ah, it's called artificial for a reason, right?
Yes.
Time for a fun question. So, which character from your e-comic would you most likely have dinner with, and why?
I would like to have dinner with the male protagonist Alex because his life is very interesting and he has a lot of interesting things happening in his backstory. So it would be interesting to understand all those things and sit down and talk to him.
Okay, and any particular dish that you guys would order?
It depends on what is available at that time.
Okay, all right. So there's something called the writer's block. I'm sure you're acquainted to it and have
Yes.
experienced it yourself. How is it that you overcome writer's block, and did you experience it while writing the e-comic?
Uh, I generally it's hard to overcome it, but if you are working for a something that has a fixed deadline like an e-comic, then it's comparatively easier to overcome it because you have a structure to in mind. So all the big pieces are in place. You are having trouble imagining all the smaller pieces. So you do all the big things and then you expect all the little things to be taken care of in a later draft or something.
So having a strict deadline is the key, I guess. Which brings me to my next question. How long did it take you to finish the season of the e-comic?
I used to do around 2 chapters a week. So I think few months at least.
3 months?
Definitely. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. But I hope that you enjoyed the process of it.
Yes.
Okay.
Learned a lot from it.
That's amazing. So, did Webnell play any positive role in this journey?
Yeah, without Webnell, I could have never published the work
Okay.
because it's not a serious work that I have tried publishing anywhere. Without Webnell, it would have never been published.
This brings me to the final question. So, what do you think of Webner's format of publishing ebooks, wherein books are written in a season-wise format and chapters are published on a weekly basis? And if at all a reader reads the chapter within 24 hours of its publication, they get to earn points. What do you think of this format?
I think it's good. It's good. It mirrors the format of TV shows. There are one episode every week, so it keeps the audience's interest intact of what is coming next. Catch Blackwater season 1 every Monday and Tuesday at 8 p.m. Only on Webnell. Read originals for free and earn points.